Today I am in our beautiful area called Aivao, which is just near Donapal, where the governor stays on top the side, and below his house this is the Aivao village. Now the reason why I'm doing the video is to show you all the pathetic condition of this road in this village over here. You can just see for yourself, these people of Aivao have been facing this bad roads for a very long time now, very long time. So you can see the pathetic condition, and I'm going to be walking inside the area to show this to you all. Now the governor just stays above, and this is the internal roads that you can see for yourself. This village is very close to the beach, Miramar beach. It's on the end side, and you can see for yourself the pathetic condition. So this is how the roads are inside our very own Taligaon constituency. MLA is Jennifer Monserrat, and this is the roads they have been promising. Uncle, म्हाका सांग की और रस्तो केन्ना पिड्यार हा
कितनी वर्सां जाले पिड्यार हा कोण पण सारको
आनी कोणापासून एक काय घालूंक ना हेजेर
काय घालूंक ना पयलो घाललो बाशीक बाशिका वता ब्रिजन घाललो बाशीक
ना तो मास कितले आता 15 वर्सां जाली दिसता
वर्सां जाली 30 वर्सां वयल्यान जाली ताका
तो 30 वर्सां जाली कोणेन हिंगा येवंक पासून काय काम करूंक ना हिंगा. So you can see, तुका कितली वर्सां जाली हिंगा आता
64 जाली
आनी कोणेन काय करूंक ना. इलेक्शन टायमार सगळी जाण येता सांगता आनी मागीर काय करिना. आता फूल दाखयतले तुमकां. So you can see these are our senior people. कशे आहा तुमी? So you can see they have been facing these issues for a very long time, and Mrs. Monserrat, she comes in and she only promises that, and nothing is being done. You can see for yourself, this is the pathetic road condition. Now you can see there is no road over here, and this is our Taligaon constituency, and Mr. Monserrat wants to merge the panchayat with the CCP. So you can see for yourself the bad condition. Now I'm walking through this full area and you can see the garbage. See for yourself the garbage that is dumped, and that new construction that you can see, there's some new institute, a campus that is coming up over there. So see for yourself. Panchayat elections will be, CCP elections will be held shortly, and you can see the pathetic condition of these roads. This is in Aivao, and you can see these roads, how bad it is for the locals who keep going in and out of these roads over here. See for yourself. I am documenting this only for one reason, is so that you all can see that how the people of Aivao are living and what is their condition. आई तुका कितली वर्सां जाली तू हिंगा रावता? कितली वर्सां जाली तुका? हय आनी म्हाका एक सांग आई, और रस्तो केन्नासून पिड्यार हा? कितली वर्सां जाली रस्तो पिड्यार हा?
Almost 10 years.
10 years, huh? 10 years it's not been repaired. 20 years, huh?
You can count 10 years.
Yes, same year.
Good campaigning.
Thank you. No, I'm just checking these roads out. It is kitla son pidyar ha. See, you can see the people are very frustrated because this is a beautiful village and it goes right at the end of the Miramar beach. So Karanjal Miramar, when you to this end of this road, and when you come to Miramar beach, you touch at the end side, and just on top is where the governor stays. So you can see on top this hill is where the governor stays, and this is below. This is Aivao village, and we have a lot of tribals who stay over here. But this is the pathetic condition that our MLAs keep them in, and this falls under CCP. So you can see it's a long journey in, and the road is very bad. But I'll still take you all. See, these are the internal roads. It's all mud. There's no tar road over here, and this is the pathetic condition. I just want to show you. See, this is also a well which is not being maintained. See, the plants, everything growing in. Locals use this well also. So you can see this. Nothing is being maintained. See this garbage. See the garbage all around, dumped. See, this is the condition that no one comes and handles this place. It is a sad situation that what people are facing, and now they are doing up road work over here. Let's see what they are doing up over here. You can see this So cars can't go in, all vehicles are kept out, everyone has to walk. So you can see. See, sewage is left outside, everything is out over here. Sorry. Hi. How long this work is going on? And how long this work is going on?
Nearly about a month.
Month, huh?
Because they got a rock over there. And this thing got tangled with it. So
Oh,
that's why
flip.
otherwise they have installed it in it.
So this got entangled with
The pipe also got burned and all that stuff. So they are just remaining.
oh my god. So you all must be facing a lot of inconvenience here now. And this road has not been done for a very long time, no? Not touched. So you can see people that the people of Aivao are really facing a lot of trouble. See for yourself. So this is how it is. And right now, if I walk, I will reach right up to the end. And pathetic condition of the road. See. See for yourself. See. I don't know what else to say, but this is the pathetic condition. See the roads. Walking right through this village, walking right through till the end. So people, I only want to tell you is fake promises are given every election. And why people, the local people of this area have to suffer. They come elected, they win in majority, yet their work is not being done. Don't people deserve a better quality of life? Don't they deserve better roads? It's simple things that they need. Why it is not given? CCP, Mayor Uday Madkaikar, we need to ask you, are beautifying all the parks right now. Don't you think this basic road facility that is needed to be given to the people are not being provided? Why? So my question is, are we going to help people out? Or are we going to give them this pathetic life? We need to get this fixed down at the earliest because people of Talegaon deserve better. People of Goa deserve better. And I think so, the taxes that we pay, everyone pays taxes. No one is let scot-free. Everyone pays taxes and it's high time that we stand up and we voice. This all falls into Talegaon constituency and this area falls under CCP, not under Panchayat. CCP. So elections are coming up. So please think twice. See outside area what is good, what is bad. Make sure that you voice up. If you cannot voice up, call me and I will voice up for you guys. Before you elect the wrong people and before fake promises are given again and again. I'm fed up of this nonsense and it's time that we voice up, we stand up. I'm going to go into every village. I'm going to show you the condition that our present MLA has put us in and CCP not acting on it. So kindly requesting y'all, please voice up and get better facilities for y'all. I will also help y'all. We'll put in complaints. We'll make sure that things are getting done. Thank you very much. Have a good day.